Dear children, this is again the continuation module of chapter 4. That is, this module number is 6. In this module, we are going to analyze the script or the program's output. How the output of the program will be in the monitor. So while analyzing the script and the output, for example, type the below code in the script file, that is #my first program. On the second line you have to type print hello world. My dear children, please include all the symbols which is given as it is. When you execute the script file, the output will be only hello world. You will get only hello world. Actually, you had entered like my first program also. Note that the first line starts with a hash. The first line of your code starts with a hash, which makes line as a comment. That is only the programmer information, not for interpreter. Comments are ignored by interpreter. Normally, if you start any line of the code with a hash, that won't be executed by the interpreter. It is only the information for a programmer, those who are looking to your program. So, actually your code is print hello world, and you are indicating or you are giving an information to the programmer or the viewer of this program that this is your first program. For that, you had include that line in hash. So, if any of the line which starts with a hash in Python is said to be comment. C-O-M-M-E-N-T. Comment. Coming to the understanding of print. To print or display output, the Python provides print function. All the letters are in small letters only. For example, print welcome to Python. It will print welcome to Python. Then, if you try for another statement, print Python rocks. Again, the interpreter will display Python rocks with a exclamatory symbol. Note that the Python allows both single quotation and double quotation to enclose a string. String is nothing but a stream or a sequence of characters. It may be alphabet, it may be digit, or it may be the combination of digit, alphabet and symbols. So, we can enclose the string within double quotes or in single quote. So, the Python interpreter will consider anything which is enclosed in single quote or double quote as a string. Look carefully. So, here I used single quote. That is, I had opened with a single quote, but I stopped with the double quotes. That is an error. It will give an error because both opening and closing quotes are different. If you are using single quote for opening, only one thing you have to remind, you should have to end up with a single quote. If you are using double quote, then you must end up with the double quotes. That's all. So, my dear children, how to display any output? You need to display the output using print statement. Print allows both string statements or strings, numbers, digits, symbols, whatever it is. Only one thing you have to remind is, if you are using a sequence of characters, that should be enclosed in either using single quote or using double quotes. Both opening and closing must be the same quotation mark. That is the only thing you have to remind. My dear children, you are all clear about how the script can be written and how the program's output can be viewed in a monitor. Using a print statement, you can display your output to the monitor. Thank you.